am Spy. She is too.
Make our introduction!
Oh, welcome to the day in the life of the Glam Girls. Okay, no. It is not the Glam Girls. It is the Black Tiger Girl
No, it's
Troop.
not!
Black Tiger Girl Troop, come on!
Glam Girls, I say.
Welcome to the day in the life of the Spy.
Glam Girls!
Chill. Okay, chill. Let's go.
Okay.
We are now going to demonstrate to you.
Do you like my two bags and pretty birthday? Do you like my...
Tone it down, Lauren.
Do you like my...
Why do you have two bags anyway?
My name is not Lauren. It's Glam Girl.
Fine, Glam Girl. Why do you have two bags?
Because I need a separate one for my lipstick.
Give me that.
No.
Give me it.
No.
I need a touch-up.
No.
Give me the lipstick.
You look beautiful.
Can I borrow the lipstick?
No. No.
Give me the lipstick!
That really hurts.
You look ridiculous.
I know I do.
Okay, you know what? We can't do this.
Why not?
Because